Hello everyone, welcome to a new video update for XRP Ripple. This is the first video for Ripple, so it's gonna be a little bit a deep analysis for what is going on inside Ripple, starting from the weekly, then the daily, then the 1 hour chart, and looking at Ripple what is doing. So starting on the weekly chart, we can see that we have a clear impulse that happened in the history of Ripple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a blue scenario, and after that we have seen a correction of 3 wave A, B, and C. And the whole range here that we have, if of course smaller ABCs that we can see all over the things. However, this can be already all gathered in one big correction, which is an A, B, and a C. It's a kind of a running flat because the C did not finish almost under or with the same level of C. However, another reading for this correction could be also a triangle finishing an A, B, C, D, and E, finishing this wave E towards the downside. That means we are expecting a upper side run after this, and the same is for the A, B, C as a running flat. We are expecting, of course, after a correction, a bull run starting after this correction. Of course, that because we had an impulse before, which is considered a 1 or an A, right? So if we have a then we are expecting we have finished the B, and we are expecting a C as a zigzag towards the upside. Now the wave C, of course, it should be impulsive, so we are expecting an impulse of 5 waves, as you can see in the blue scenarios here, that we're gonna go further into it with the daily chart. On the daily chart, if we move to the daily, here we go. So what we are expecting in the daily chart, of course, after a wave C or an E for a triangle here, we are expecting a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 2 is expected, of course, to be a retracement of 3 waves. However, the wave 1 still not finished yet. It not claimed the wave 5 of 1. So we are expecting, of course, higher price to finish the wave 1 first and then move down to the wave 2. Now we're gonna, of course, see closer inside this area to see where the wave 5 of 1 can finish. So moving to the 1 hour chart here, if we look closer of what's happening inside the wave 1. So in this wave 1, of course, we can see an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4 in green, and we are expecting one more wave 5 towards the upside. Inside this impulse, we can see a smaller impulse in orange, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, finishing the wave 3, of course, in green, and continuation towards the upside. Inside the wave 5, what we can see already is a many or multiple 1-2s occurring inside this wave 5. After having a correction of A, B, C in zigzag, we are looking for a 1-2 in teal, 1-2 in blue, and 1-2 in magenta. So what we are expecting, of course, is 3 waves, a wave 3 towards the upside, finishing, of course, the wave 3 in magenta first, and then 4, 5 finishing the wave 3 in blue, 4, 5 finishing the 3 in teal, and 4, 5 finishing the biggest wave in green for the wave 1. After this, we are expecting, of course, a continuation towards the downside, finishing the targeting the wave 2 fib levels, of course, to be mentioned once we finish, once we top with the wave 1, we can then mention the wave 2 fib levels. However, now what we are looking at here is, of course, a very long range, right? A very long range for a wave 3, which it could have bottomed here first, right, where the lower low is exactly in this point. So we can mention that, okay, the wave 2 here took a longer time, and starting a 1, 2 again for a wave 3, 4, and 5. So what we expect from XRP is currently higher prices, okay, just to go high, up and down and up and down. However, making higher highs, higher highs, higher highs until we finish, of course, this wave 5. Now I'm gonna keep watching this area to see where we can finish the wave 5 in teal, right? To finish this impulse here, 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5. So claiming that the wave 1 in white, okay, the main wave 1 has topped and that we are moving towards the downside. So basically, this is for XRP. Nice pattern that XRP is doing, very bullish, and yeah, we're gonna watch this in the next days. And I hope that you liked the updates. If you did, please press the like button. If you did not subscribe, please subscribe. And thank you for watching. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.